This is Safia teaching you biological science. Today our topic of discussion is cell. What is cell? It is the structural and functional unit of cell. Unit of an organism. Structural and functional unit of an organism. Why is it called as structural and functional unit of an organism? I'll say you the reason. It is called as structural unit because it helps in organization of an organism. Suppose if you take a house, how the house is constructed by using small units called bricks. Bricks are laid one by one to make the complete house. If you take a floor, how the floor is made? By laying one by one tile after tile, the house is made. So brick is the structural unit of a house. Tile is the structural unit of a floor, with which the structure of an organism is completing is nothing but the smallest unit, cell. Cells are repeated in our body several times to form the complete organism. So it is called as structural unit. Why is it called as a functional unit? It is called as functional unit because all the functions of an organism that are to be taken, like you take the examples of functions, respiration is a function. Where does this respiration happens? In a single cell. Where the digestion happens? In a single cell. All these organisms functions, whatever processes are going out in an organism, all those are being taken place at cellular level. Okay, I'll give you the same example of building. Each person works together to complete the structure of house. Plumber does small part. Everyone, plumber is doing, electrician is doing the whatever mansion maker. All these persons are coming together to make the complete structure of house. So each one person is called as a functional unit. In our body also, each one cell comes together to perform that function. That is why it is called as structural and functional unit of an organism. Is it clear?